We're really lucky to have some wonderful community partners to make our immunization clinic run here at FWCS. And it's one of those projects that really could not run without a strong partnership in the community. So SuperShot, Parkview Community Nursing, and FWCS have teamed up together in this location to make sure that kids have all the immunizations that they need to start school. And it might surprise you a little bit, but many students come to school at the beginning of the year without the required immunizations. If you look at the grades kindergarten, 6th, and 12th, about half of those kids will come at the start of the school year behind in their immunizations. So we wanted to put something together that was outside of the box, outside of the normal delivery of medicine, so to speak, and do something that really served parents. So kids can come here. Of course, they go to SuperShot as well, and many times our community nurses will even do some in-school immunization just to take the burden off of families. And the idea behind it is to really level the playing field so that no matter how complicated life is in the family, we don't have to have kids lose school time in order to get their shots.
Parkview was one of the founding organizations of SuperShot 30 years ago. One of the biggest impacts Parkview has had on SuperShot's journey is donating our permanent clinic location here at 1515 Hobson Road. Previously, SuperShot was working out of donated and temporary locations, and now we have a permanent home after 30 years, where we can serve the community regardless of income level with dignity and respect. The partnership with Parkview really benefits the children in our community, and without Parkview's support, we couldn't do that. We turn nobody away for inability to pay. We're open on weekend hours and evening hours and really try to be accessible to the community and to families and to children.
2 of our boys are on state insurance because of congenital conditions, and our doctor won't give them shots in the office. So we come here, and now I bring all of my boys here because we can get everything done. It's super fast. Don't have to wait for appointments to open up later. And staff is awesome. I actually have friends that work here that are amazing. It was really easy to check in, and everyone was really nice and cordial. And one of them was like, "I didn't even feel it, Mom." I was like, "Oh, cool."
SuperShot has delivered almost 800,000 vaccines in our community over the past 30 years, and that is because of our great partnership with Parkview. Partnerships like this are so important to our area residents because when we come together and work as a community, we can do something none of us can do alone. We're able to solve problems, respond to pandemics, and make sure everybody in our community has access to health care and immunizations in this situation. And none of it would be possible if we didn't work together.
The partnership between Parkview Community Nursing, SuperShot, and FWCS is truly a godsend. Parkview Community Nurses are here at our Family and Community Engagement Center, which we call FACE. I really do love the name because I think it encompasses what we all want to accomplish here, and that's engaging our community partners, our parents and families, our students, so we can all work together. But it's more important that kids have their health protected and that our school community is protected because it protects the community at large.